Conversation between mom and daughter.
Mom. Mom, where are you? I am home. Yes, Carrie, I am in the kitchen. How was your day at school today? How was your exam? School was okay, Mom. And I did my best on the exam. I was worried about the exam for many days. But now, I am feeling relaxed. There is nothing to worry about now. I am very happy to hear that. You have been studying very hard for the past few months. Now, you can relax and enjoy your holidays. What are you cooking, Mom? It smells good. I am baking cake. I know, this is your favorite pineapple cake. You are the best mom in the world. It looks very yummy. And I can see cupcakes over there. You are busy, aren't you, Mom? Yes, I am. Lizzie has to take something to school tomorrow. So, those cupcakes for her. It is not for you. Can I have a piece of pineapple cake? I am very hungry, Mom. First of all, you should change your school dress. It is lunchtime. It is not time to eat cupcakes. Okay, Mom. I am going to my room to change my school dress. Okay, dear.
After changing school dress.
Mom, I can't wait. Can I have only one piece of pineapple cake? Please, Mom. Okay. But only one. Okay, Mom.
After a few minutes.
Did you see the new recipe that was uploaded to YouTube? It was apple pie. Not yet, but I want to try that recipe. Your dad loves apple pie. So do I. Our whole family is crazy about apple pie. When do you want to try the new recipe? I want to learn too. Which pie should we bake? We should bake apple pie. Tomorrow, I will get some apples at the market. And we can start baking in the afternoon when you come back home from school. Tomorrow, I have farewell party at my school. So I won't be back until 3 p.m. Will it be too late to bake, Mom? 3 p.m. is fine. When you come home, I will prepare everything to bake. Don't forget to buy sugar and eggs. Because you used a lot of sugar and eggs today. Don't worry. We still have plenty of sugar and a lot of eggs. That sounds good. Let me set the table for lunch. Your dad and Lizzie will be home soon. I am sure they will be very hungry. And they will want lunch right away. What is for lunch? Butter chicken, salad, and bread for lunch. Wow, Mom.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.